Hey y'all, it's Jess Daum with the Bridget Moore Group, CB&A Realtors. Today I'm going to show you my newest listing. Welcome to 31315 Evergreen Park Lane in the beautiful community of Imperial Oaks. This 4-bed, 2.5-bath home has a 3-car garage and is just under 2,600 square feet. This home has rare vaulted ceilings that start in your entryway and continue through your living space. Some of the recent updates that this home has include a roof, HVAC, fence, primary bathroom remodel, hot water heater, and so much more. This home has everything you could dream of and more. It has a 4-1 dining space, mudroom, 3-car garage, it has a game room, and large secondary bedrooms. The primary bedroom is super spacious. It has an updated primary bathroom, and the closet is so large that you can do a cartwheel in it, but don't ask me how I know. This home has an open floor plan that's perfect for entertaining. So whether you're in the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, or even upstairs in the game room, you're still part of the action. Venturing outdoors, you'll fall in love with your large covered patio and your backyard with no rear neighbors. Bring your grill, your big screen TV, and all your friends so you can entertain rain or shine. This home is nestled on a quiet double cul-de-sac street. Less than a minute from your new home are walking trails, baseball fields, and soccer fields. Just a few minutes further and you'll reach one of Imperial Oaks' large community centers with tons of amenities. The location of this home is truly incredible. You have 45, 99, and Hardy Toll Road all within a few minutes. If you're looking for a small town feel without sacrificing amenities and convenience, then 31315 Evergreen Park Lane is the perfect home for you. To schedule a private showing of this beautiful home, give me a call today.